Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. You're welcome to my channel, Microsoft Project Simplified. My name is Dennis Mora. This is our fourth tutorial and is the continuation of tutorial number 3, which was about work breakdown structure. Work breakdown structure was the beginning of our sample project, and today we are looking at scheduling in MS Project. Okay, let's open our software, MS Project. Okay, this is what you will see when you open the MS Project. Let's start from the left side. There is a column here with I. This column will be displaying for you some information about your task or resources. The second column here, it will be for the kind of mode, whether it's automatic or manual, will be displayed here. And column 3, this is for task. So all our tasks will be entered under this column. 4 here is for duration. This is where the duration for all the tasks will be displayed. This column here is for start date of each of the tasks. And finish displays the finish date for all the task. And we have here predecessors, which will display here the predecessors for each of the tasks. And there are some other more columns here. So you can access them by bringing your cursor here. And once the cursor is in this shape, click and drag to the right. You will see that you have the resource name. We shall look at this ahead or in future. And then if you drag more, you will see that there is an option for adding new column depending on your interest. We shall also look at this. By default, when you open MS Project, select manually scheduled mode. But we don't like to go with manual schedule mode for 2 reasons. 1, it takes a lot of time. And 2, whether you make mistake, it's not easy to realize your mistake. So we are switching to auto schedule. To do that, bring your cursor here to status bar, click on it. You will see these 2 options, and we are selecting auto schedule. So now we are set to do our task here, auto schedule in auto mode. Okay, now our work breakdown structure is what we are going to enter under the column of task. We have talked about this in the previous video. So let us start. So the first row is going to be our title, which is Lola Chat. Lola Chat. Not to room. Not to room. To room. Construction. Schedule. Okay, this is our title for the schedule. Now, to widen this column, bring your cursor here and click, drag to the right side like this. It's more or less like you doing it in Excel. Now, the next one is going to be mobilization. Mobilization. And under mobilization, you have personnel. And under personnel, you have equipment. And then you have material. Now, because of time, I'm going to copy from Excel what I've prepared before. That is what we have seen in our work breakdown structure. And then copy here. So here, I'm going to do this and copy, and I'm pasting it here. Okay, here we go. So we have all the work breakdown structures entered in the task column. This is our task right now. Okay, we can widen a bit this column, a bit. Okay, it's fine. The next thing we have to do is to save our project. To do that, go to File, go to Save As, this PC, and where do you select where you want to save. Me, I'm going to put it in a desktop for now, and I have a folder here for sample project, and I'm giving the name Lola Chat, Natu Room, construction, schedule. Okay, this is our file name. I'm saving it. Okay. Okay, it is time now to go to check some of the settings in the Backstage view. Now, to go to Backstage view, go to the File tab, go to Option, and this is what you will see. What we want to check here is under Display. I click on Display. We make sure we are working with Gregorian calendar. Now, Gregorian calendar is the calendar based on Earth revolution around the sun. This kind of calendar was introduced by Pope Gregory XIII in 1582. The next thing we want to check here is the currency. We are using Uganda shilling. So you need to come here, and then already is in Uganda shilling, but yeah, if you want to change, you need to come here and select Uganda shilling. The second one is schedule. Schedule, we want to check week starts on, we need to select Monday, which is here. And then another one is work is entered in. This is the unit for duration. So we have to select days. And also by default, MS project will select days. But in any case, you want to use any other unit, depending on your interest and the project you're working on, you can come here. Duration is entered in. You have the drop-down arrow here, and then you select what you want. But for our case, we are selecting days. Okay, we click OK. This is what we wanted to check on the Backstage view. Now, let us go to, we have to assign project start date for our project here. To do that, go to Project tab, which is here, click on it, go to Move Project, click on this. When you click this, you will see that the calendar will appear. We want this project to start 1 month from now. So we are going to give the date of 22nd of November. So when you don't click here, you're seeing this, and click on this to move to December. And we want it to start 22nd of December. Sorry, let's change a bit because it's on Saturday. So let's make it 21st of November. So I'm clicking this. Then I'm clicking OK. This is our start date for the project. You can as well widen this column a little bit, Yes, this is yeah, how you do the widening. Yes, for this tutorial, we are ending here. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more upcoming content. Bye-bye.